What up, rockers? How you guys doing? This week I wanted to try something new, and as a huge fan of puzzles and riddles, I made a puzzle for you guys. So here's the deal. I've listed 6 different sounds that I think I'm good at, and I want to try if I can compete against the real sounds. You guys being the judges, of course. You got 2 options, sound A and sound B. Now your job is to guess which one is the real sound, and my job is, of course, try to fool you. After you're done this puzzle, let me know in the comments how you did and did I fool you. Okay, let's do this. I'm excited. Let's go.
Are you listening? Damn.
Boop, boop, boop.
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 Are you listening? Damn.
Boop, boop, boop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you rockers in the next video.